Imagine waking up one day and realizing you never have to worry about money again. No more stressing about bills, no more panic when an unexpected expense shows up, no more feeling trapped by your job. That kind of freedom isn't luck. It is the result of a few smart money moves the rich follow quietly while everyone else struggles. And today I'm revealing 7 of those moves so you can start using them right now. If you're serious about becoming financially free forever, stick with me until the end because even one of these steps can change your entire life. The first money move is mastering the power of paying yourself first. Most people get paid, spend money on bills, food, entertainment, and then hope something is left to save. But wealthy people flip the system. The moment money hits their account, they take a portion and invest it. They treat saving and investing like a non-negotiable bill, something they owe to their future self. Even if it's just 10%, that simple habit rewires your finances. It forces you to live smarter, grow consistently, and build wealth automatically. When you pay yourself first, you build a foundation that compounds quietly in the background while you go about your life. The second money move is building multiple income streams. Relying on one paycheck is dangerous. If that paycheck disappears, your entire life collapses. The rich build several income streams so money flows from different places, even while they sleep. It could be dividends from stocks, rental income from real estate, small online businesses, or freelance skills that generate extra cash. You don't need 7 income streams right away, just start with 1. Because once you unlock the mindset of earning money beyond your job, your financial freedom becomes unstoppable. The third move is eliminating high-interest debt as fast as possible. Debt is like a financial parasite. It steals your future earnings and keeps you poor. But here is what rich people do differently. They eliminate bad debt quickly while using good debt strategically. Bad debt includes credit card balances, high-interest loans, and anything that drains your wallet. The faster you wipe these out, the faster you stop bleeding money. Once that weight is gone, the money you used to waste on interest can finally start building your wealth instead of destroying it. The fourth money move is learning to live below your means while increasing your income above your needs. Wealthy people don't get rich by buying every shiny thing they see. They get rich by maximizing the gap between what they earn and what they spend. Even high-income earners stay broke because they inflate their lifestyle with every raise. But wealthy people expand their earning power and keep their expenses controlled. That difference, the wealth gap, is what fuels investments, growth, and long-term freedom. The fifth move is investing consistently, no matter what's happening in the market. Most people try to time the market, get scared during crashes, or invest only when they feel ready. That's why they stay broke. The rich follow a simple rule: invest consistently and automatically. Whether it's stocks, index funds, real estate, or their own businesses, they keep feeding the machine. Markets rise and fall, but wealth grows for those who stay consistent. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. The sixth money move is developing skills that increase your earning potential. You can't build wealth if your income never grows. The rich constantly upgrade themselves learning sales, communication, investing, leadership, negotiation, or high-income digital skills. When you upgrade your skills, you upgrade your income. When you upgrade your income, you upgrade your opportunities. And when you upgrade your opportunities, wealth becomes inevitable. The fastest way to change your financial future is to become more valuable in the marketplace. The seventh move is adopting a long-term mindset. This is the real secret. Most people want quick results. The rich want permanent results. They think in years, not days. They prioritize freedom over flexing, assets over liabilities, and delayed gratification over instant gratification. They understand that wealth builds slowly, then suddenly. At first, your growth feels small, but then compounding kicks in and everything accelerates. If you stay consistent, patient, and disciplined, the life you want will eventually become the life you live. These 7 moves might sound simple, but they are the difference between staying broke and becoming financially free forever. Pay yourself first. Build multiple income streams, eliminate bad debt, live below your means, invest consistently, increase your skills, and think long-term. If you follow these steps, your financial future will never be the same. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 7 money moves are you going to start today? And if you want more powerful wealth-building videos like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Your journey to financial freedom starts right now.